You're just trying to fill the air with lead so there's a better chance of the enemy falling, the men in gray. Then you might hear a command like rear flank fire. Rear flank fire. Who's the rear flank? Right, the people back here. This is the rear. And then if you hear front rank, then you fire. If you hear rear flank, front people don't fire. You let them fire. Okay, you can load in the meantime while they're firing. Then when you hear front rank, you fire. Load. Everybody load. Very good. Good. Way to tear it. Okay, you packed it in real good with the ramrod. Okay, you put the ramrod back. Very good. You put the little cap on it. You've lifted the gun in the air. Okay. Here's the command.
Company, fire by volley.
Very good.
Fire. Load.
All right, you're loading now. Wait till he gives the orders to fire now. Because he might just say rear rank and then front rank, but wait till he goes through the whole order before you fire.
Front rank. Load. Fire.
Tell him out.
20
Okay.
seconds. And then, it's fine.
Company, load.
We'll wait. Just have them wait until the scouts come back and confirm. What do you see? The enemy is in the woods? Hurry back.
The cows, the cows.
Make sure you load well. Make sure you put those ramrods back. Return those ramrods. Okay. There they are! They've come out of the woods. Wait for your orders.
Company, fire by volley. Fire. Company, fire by rank. Rear rank. Load.
Wait for your orders. Wait for your orders.
Front rank. Load. Rear rank. Fire. Load. Front rank. Fire. Load. Company will fire at will.
They're firing back at you at this point. Smoke all over the place. Fire at will. Take your positions along this fence. Fire at will. Load. Continue to load and fire. Back on the ground. Continue down. You've been hit. Fall back. You've been hit. You've been hit. Fall down. Fall down and stay down. Where's my medical officer? Very good. Okay. Very good. You tend to the wounded. Okay. Driven them back into the woods. We're victorious. Yeah, what a fire. All right. The captain's proud of you. You were all trained well. You did your flag well. Okay. Wounded. Those are wounded. Go back to the ground. Okay? Stay there. Is this a good area here? Or where's my medical officer?
Right here.
What have you seen? Is this a good area?
No.
Okay. Is there water nearby? Where have you seen water?
Back there. Yeah.
Okay, very good. He spotted water. What about